One question that students often have when they start math is, why do I need this class? I don't use math, I don't like math. It's not something that's in my life. So today I took just a couple of minutes and I looked around my kitchen and I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 examples just really quickly of places where you probably use math every day, even if you don't think about it. So I'm just going to kind of zoom in on each one of these individually. So here we have the choice. When you go to the grocery store, you might be making this choice. Do I buy the large pack or do I buy the individual pack? Right? So you're looking at the price and you're saying, is it cheaper for me to buy a multi-pack or an individual pack? Math. Thermometer, all temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit, they're all figured with math. Change, money, decimals, right? What is a quarter? If it's not 0.25, right? 25 cents, 0.25 of 100. 25% of a dollar, right? A dime, 10% of a dollar, right? 0.10. A penny, 0.01, right? So we use math every day, many times without even thinking about it. Here I have a receipt from some jeans I bought, and as I zoom in, you'll notice that it has lots of math. So they added up the price, they added up the sales tax. This isn't a really great because it was an exchange, and probably a percent off you would find. Right, over here, applesauce. Well, wait a minute, you're saying, what does applesauce have to do with math? Let's look at the nutrition facts. So we have the calories in one pouch has 4 servings. One pouch, wait, let me open this up. One pouch has 4 servings, but they're individual serving pouches. So in order to figure out how many calories I'm actually consuming, I have to do 60 times 4, right? And then maybe I want to look at the fat, the sodium, the carbs, the fiber, and you'll notice the percentages. How much of the percent of your daily value are you getting from eating this particular item? All right, all math. You'll notice it's 100% of your vitamin C, so that's good. Not very much on the protein, though. 0. All right, here's a couple more examples. A cookbook. A cookbook has, what are these? Oh, fractions. Half a cup. And what if I need to make more than, let's see, what does it say? 8 minutes per batch, scroll down to the bottom. It makes about 60 cookies. What if I only want to make 30 cookies? Can I do it? Let's see. And for myself, the first thing I look at is the number of eggs involved, right? This recipe calls for 2 eggs. You can divide 2 eggs pretty easily by half, and get 1 egg. So you could split this and make 30 cookies. Good to know. All right, all math. Here's another example that goes along with cooking. So maybe in your kitchen, you have a similar set of measuring cups. And mine have a fourth of a cup, a third of a cup, a half of a cup, 1 cup. So I know that a fourth is smaller than a third because it fits inside of it, smaller than a half, smaller than 1, right? But what am I missing in that set of measuring cups? What if my recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup? What do I do then? Well, I have 2 choices. I can do 1/4 3 times, right? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Or I know that 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1/2, right? So I could do for 3/4 a 1/4 cup and a 1/2 cup, and I'd have my 3/4 cup. So what I want to say in this just really short video is that every day you're using math and the math that we're doing in this class. You're figuring prices, you're making change, you're deciding if something is worth it while to buy based on the % off or the sale. You're measuring things, you're cooking, and you're looking at ingredient labels on the things that you eat. And all of this takes math.